Liberty's Kids was made possible by the Corporation for Public Broadcasting and by contributions to your PBS station from viewers like you. Thank you.
PBS Kids!
Da-da-da-da! Yup, there's more good stuff to come on WETA Kids.
Water, water everywhere and not a drop to spare. Water on the ground, water in the air. Though it may evaporate, it never goes away. Snows onto your mountaintop, flows into your bay. Animals need water, people need it too. Keep it clean for me and I'll keep it clean for you. Keep it clean for me and I'll keep it clean for you. Keep it clean.
How did the world start? I mean, they have the Big Bang Theory, but who knows if that was really true.
How did dinosaurs really die out?
Like, sometimes my friends ask me, do you like your mom or your dad more? It's like really hard because you love them both a lot.
You're watching WETA Kids on WETA Washington.
Next on Sagwa.
Oh, thanks, Mama. I think...
What are you wearing?
It's not funny.
Oh, nice collar.
Tuh! I had it with this collar.
Where's your collar?
I don't know. Kellogg's Frosted Flakes, where they know that the fun of playing and learning together is more than just good. It's great! Sagwa was made possible by the Corporation for Public Broadcasting and by contributions to your PBS station from viewers like you. Thank you. Xie xie.